Well, greetings interwebs. Man, I don't know what's going on with the weather in Green Cove, but oh my goodness, y'all gotta see this. Man, oh man, is that some weather? It is like a hurricane out here. Holy cow.
The next day.
Well, I was going to come out and say that the weather had calmed down, but then the wind just picked back up. It's nonstop. So, it's not as bad as it was yesterday, though, and last night. Oh, my goodness. So, nice breeze. Whatevs.
Many hours later.
Well, the weather finally calmed down. It's a beautiful night here in Green Cove. Yeah, I love my little town. It's a quiet neighborhood, it's peaceful. I love my green lights. I love these green lights. Give my house a nice ethereal glow. And during the holidays, I can change the colors. But yeah, you see, it's nice and peaceful. That wind has gone away. There's an ever so slight breeze. It feels so nice. And you can see how nice and peaceful though. Hear the crickets chirping. It's 9 o'clock at night and it's so nice and peaceful. Nice clear sky. Nice beautiful moon. And yeah, glare from a street light. Yeah. Yeah, I love the party lights in my backyard. It's just so cool back here. Eventually I'll have privacy fence on either side. And then this will be a very different place. We can come back here, run around, goof off, hang out. And all this wide open space that leads out to the road will be closed off from edge of the house over to the end of that fence. So we'll have just a nice bit of privacy. Because if you walk around, you see, yeah, that's a street, which is fine, except, you know, have the kids running around or whatever, the grandkids and whomever. It'd be nice to just have a nice place without having to worry about coming in from the street or anything. Yeah, this is a short update. I wanted to talk about the storm, the weather, and how nice and peaceful you see things are now. So, from my happy little home here in Green Cove, seeing you.